My name is Jeff Faulds. I'm an owner here at Wild Rock Outfitters in Peterborough, Ontario. At Wild Rock Outfitters, we outfit you for outdoor adventure, whether that be canoeing, kayaking, hiking, or cycling or Nordic skiing. I've been at Wild Rock here for 6 years, and my background is in the cycling industry. That's where I've worked my whole life and where my expertise is here at the store. We can facilitate and equip you for all your outdoor play, whether that be as simple as taking your dog for a walk or big adventure in another country, long cycling trips, multi-week backcountry trips, or just taking your kids camping at the local park. At Wild Rock Outfitters, we have a strong belief in community and our connection with the community. These are our customers, where we live, where our staff live. We work in the community through a bunch of different ways. One being our Compassion Project charity that we run, which works both with nature and access to nature, as well as community, our people in our community, and those struggling in our community. We also have a lot of our staff that help out, including myself, with programs in cycling and other sports, helping youth and coach them and getting them to blossom and grow within our sport. So at Wild Rock, we're kind of three main departments, one being cycling, where we are here. So we do full line of bikes, from kids bikes, e-bikes, mountain bikes, city bikes, road bikes, all your cycling needs, both sales, service, and all the accessories and clothing to go with that. Our second main department is sportswear, so outdoor technical wear for enjoying life outdoors. Bunch of different brands, including Patagonia, Outdoor Research, Rab, footwear for that, whether it be super technical or, like I say, just as simple as going out for a walk in your neighborhood. And then our third main department being camping and paddle sports, so canoes, kayaks, all your outdoor camping gear, sleeping bags, food, cooking systems, Yeti gear, all of that stuff. At Wild Rock, we serve a lot of our core community right here in Peterborough, as well as a lot of people in the surrounding areas. We also have an online store, which serves all across North America. We also love to host people coming to Peterborough to visit. We rent bikes, rent canoes, and other camping gear, and love to give recommendations on routes and places to travel. We look forward to seeing you come in and check out our store, and hope you get outdoors and play. Check us out at 169 Charlotte Street in Peterborough, or online at wildrock.net.